Alright guys, Alex Master Garage here, 2014 Hyundai Sonata turbo. We're gonna replace the radiator. Quick tip for that one. Okay, let it cool down, disconnect the hoses and everything. I already took it off, but I'm gonna give you the quick guide for that. And there is 4 screw right here. You gotta use number 10 socket. Remove that one. So as you push the radiator toward there with the fan, there is a fan right here. Okay, there's a fan right here at the bottom. That's just a quick connection. On the top you have to use the 10 millimeter socket. Take that off. Don't forget to remove all the connectors for the fan module. So it's kind of a little bit tight, but if you I mean play with it, it will come off from this area. So as soon as you got it out, there is 2 lines for the transmission fluid for the cooler. So you gotta lose the clip, put it back, take them off. You won't miss them because the bottom one goes to the bottom line and the top one goes to the top line. And don't forget to disconnect the hose, the main hose, and the upper radiator hose and lower radiator hose. Take that off. So right here, as I point my finger, there is a clip. There is 4 clips, 2 at the driver's side, 2 at the passenger side. Right here, just look it like that. You got to push it back. You got it right here. Sorry about that. Right here. Okay, 2 of them here and 2 of them over there. You got to push it back, both, and push the radiator down, just like that. Push it down, not the up. So this, when you push it down, the side that you already pushed down is going to be released. And do the same thing with the other one and push it down, it's going to be released. Then you can move the radiator, you can move it aside and push it up. That was all about the radiator. Thank you guys again for watching, and God bless.